Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Odoo software for tasks. If you manage daily work, team projects, client jobs, or internal business activities, Odoo tasks can help you keep everything organized in one clear place. We'll start from the Odoo home screen. Once you're there, click on Project to open the project management area. This is where you can organize work, create projects, and manage tasks in a simple, visual way. The project app is useful because it gives you a clear overview of what needs to be done, who is working on it, and what stage each task is currently in. After opening Project, click on New to create a fresh project. Then, type in your project name. Choose a clear name that matches the work you want to track, since this will make it easier to find later, especially if you manage multiple projects at once. For example, you can name your project based on a client, department, campaign, or internal workflow, such as website redesign, marketing plan, customer support tasks, or office renovation. Once the name is entered, click Create Project. This will open your new project workspace, where you can start building your task board and organizing the workflow. When the project opens, you'll see that Odoo uses Kanban stages to display tasks in columns. This layout helps you quickly understand where each task stands. Kanban is helpful because instead of reading long lists, you can visually see what is pending, what is being worked on, what needs review, and what has already been completed. In the first column, type To Do. Then, use the next stages as In Progress, Review, and Done. These stages create a clear workflow, moving from tasks that haven't started yet all the way to tasks that are completed. This simple structure works well for most teams, but you can also adjust the stages based on your own process. For example, a design team might use stages like Brief, Design, Client Review, and Approved. To add a task, click the plus icon in the appropriate column. Usually, you'll begin by adding new tasks under To Do. Type in the task name, so the work item is clearly labeled. Try to make the task name specific, so everyone understands what needs to happen. Instead of writing something general like website, you can write Update Homepage Banner or Add Contact Form to website. While creating the task, you can also assign team members. A task can be assigned to employees, managers, or freelancers if they have access to the system. Assigning tasks helps everyone understand responsibility and makes workload tracking much easier. This is especially useful when multiple people are working on the same project because it reduces confusion and makes it clear who owns each task. Next, set deadlines and priorities for the task. This is an important part of staying organized and keeping projects on schedule. Odoo allows you to choose different priority levels, including low, medium, high, and urgent. You can also schedule activities and reminders, which is helpful if the task needs a follow-up or has a time-sensitive action attached to it. For example, if a client approval is needed by Friday, you can set a deadline and reminder so the task does not get missed. Once everything looks good, click Save. At this point, the task is officially added to your project and ready to be tracked. From here, your team can open the task, add notes, update details, attach files, or communicate about the work directly inside Odoo. As your team works, you can monitor progress through the project dashboard. Odoo helps you view completed tasks, pending tasks, deadlines, and team workload. This gives managers and team members a clearer picture of project status and helps identify delays before they become bigger problems. For example, if too many tasks are stuck in review, you can quickly notice the bottleneck and take action. You can also add color to tasks, which is useful for visual organization. For example, you might use color to group similar types of work or highlight important items. You could use one color for urgent tasks, another color for client-related work, and another for internal tasks, so your board is easier to understand at a glance. Finally, as the task progresses, you can move it between stages. Drag it from To Do to In Progress, then to Review, and finally to Done when the work is complete. This keeps the project board updated in real time and makes collaboration much smoother. It also helps everyone stay aligned because the whole team can see progress without needing constant messages or status updates. And that's how to use Odoo software for tasks. By creating a project, setting up stages, adding tasks, assigning team members, setting deadlines, and tracking progress, you can manage your work in a much more organized and professional way inside Odoo.